Assalamu alaikum 3 class students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine, and let's start our today lecture number 12, and our topic is whiz practice typing. So let's start, and we start the practice of typing. First of all, I am described to how to we use the computer in good way. Okay students, some steps you follow when you typing on the computer and other tasks on the computer. Some steps to remember when you sit down to type. Many computer users develop back problem due to bad posture. Students, I am use word bad postures. Postures mean your sitting style when you use a computer for typing and other purpose. Sit straight in a comfortable chair. Do not use a laptop on your bed. Student, you see the picture with use the laptop on your bed. So that is a wrong way for using a computer. The table must be at the correct height. In the first picture, in the left hand, you see that is a good way and right way using the computer. The computer should be centered in front of you. Students, you follow these all steps to use the computer. And now we move to the slide. In these slides, I am described to the name of fingers. Students, you must be remember the name of all fingers. You see the right hand and left hand, and name of the fingers: little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and thumb. So you remember that name of fingers, and after that I am going to the slide. And in these slides I am describe you home key practice. Place the finger of the left hand on the SDF keys and right hand on the J, K, L and semicolon keys. That is your home key. Your practice is start from the home key. Students, next slide. In this slide, in the left hand side picture, you see use the index finger. In this typing, we use index finger to type the bottom row letters. Bottom row letters on the keyboard. Extend the left finger down to press the V and B keys. Students, you see the mentioned keys V and B on the keyboard, and in the picture you see on the screen. In the right hand of the pictures, extend the right index finger down to press the N and M keys. That is your practice of typing. In the next slide, extend the left middle finger to press the C key on the keyboard. Students, you see in the picture of the left hand is C, and the right hand you see the comma. Extend the right middle finger to press the comma. Student, you must be remember the name of the fingers. After that you start the typing of practice on the today. Our lecture is end, so listen it carefully.